Now, unfortunately, we have seen this war between Russia and Ukraine, which is devastating. Now I remember that you received a vision which describes the evolution and development of this war. And you described precisely in 2015 in Turin, right when we met each other. Can you tell us about it?
Yeah. So I'll try to be very short in my description of this vision that I had on the 17th of March 2014. It was the Holy Thursday of the Passion. So I'm gonna say to you that in this vision, I could see things, but I also had strong sensations. And I didn't realize at first when I had it because I cry so much because I could see what was happening and I was sick, but I started to understand it little by little, talking about it with my spiritual father, with a priest, watching for a while short footages of your videos occasionally that I usually never
It's
see, but
like a
angels
combination,
show
and
me
they
just what
show
I
them
need to
to you,
catch in my
all
mind,
right?
understand exactly. For example, later I'm gonna talk about it and describe in my vision. Angels gave a number, and this number I was looking because you've talked about it in one of your videos. I was watching that and I compared it with what is written in chapter 17 of the book of Revelation, and I understood and made a connection. But all the things I learned a little by little. At first, well, I said, my God, what's this? I was not understanding. So now I'm gonna tell you about it. So it starts in this way. Imagine that it was as if I could see the map and I saw this big ball of fire. And I don't know if it was a bomb or a meteorite. I can't describe it exactly. Anyway, a ball of fire that was falling from up above on the right, so from the east, was falling down on the left, so west. Okay, from the east, it was falling down to the west. This ball, boom, burst, and all the ground cracked. Down to this ground, all houses, buildings were falling in one word, destruction. So after that, a strong earthquake begins, big earthquake, and you can see the Vatican breaking down in half.
In half,
Yes, in half. It
of
breaks in
course.
two parts. It
Yes,
divides. There's a crack. As you can break through a wall. I can't describe exactly with words. After that, what happens is that suddenly, still there in Rome, you can see the statue of San Michael. I saw the mole, I think it's called Adrian's mole. I didn't know it. These are all things that I saw later,
later.
going on to analyze to understand what I had seen. And this statue falls of Saint Michael and breaks into 1,000 pieces.